Your question is the idea of concurrent list in the Indian constitution has been borrowed from. Your options are A. USA, B. Switzerland, C. Australia, or D. USSR. Right answer is C. Australia. Your question is which one among the following is not correctly matched? Provision, part of the constitution. Your options are A. Citizenship, part 2, B. The Union Territories, part 7, C. The Municipalities, part 9A, or D. Elections, part 15. Right answer is B. The Union Territories, part 7. Your question is which part and chapter of the Indian Constitution deal with the legislative relation between the Union and the states? Your options are A. Part 11 and Chapter 1, B. Part 11 and Chapter 2, C. Part 12 and Chapter 1, or D. Part 12 and Chapter 2. Right answer is A. Part 11 and Chapter 1. Your question is the ideals and objectives outlined in the preamble of the Indian Constitution have been further elaborated in. Your options are A. The chapter on fundamental rights, B. The chapter on directive principles of state policy, C. The chapter on directive principles of state policy, fundamental rights and fundamental duties, or D. Nowhere else in the text of the Constitution. Right answer is C. The chapter on directive principles of state policy, fundamental rights and fundamental duties. Your question is which one of the following statements is correct regarding parliamentary form of government? Your options are A. The legislature is responsible to judiciary, B. The legislature is responsible to executive, C. The legislature and the executive are independent, D. The president is responsible to judiciary, or E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Your question is the correct sequence of the formation of the following states in descending order is. Your options are A. Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Haryana, B. Haryana, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, C. Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Haryana, or D. Haryana, Maharashtra, Rajasthan. Right answer is D. Haryana, Maharashtra, Rajasthan. Your question is by which one of the following acts was the federal court in India created? Your options are A. Indian Council Act 1861, B. Government of India Act 1909, C. Government of India Act 1919, or D. None of the above. Right answer is D. None of the above. Your question is which one of the following acts lead to the separation of Burma from India? Your options are A. The Indian Councils Act 1909, B. Government of India Act 1919, C. Government of India Act 1935, or D. Indian Independence Act 1947. Right answer is C. Government of India Act 1935. Your question is one amongst the following was not a silent feature of the Government of India Act 1935. Your options are A. The Act provided for an All India Federation, B. Residuary subjects were allocated to provincial legislatures, C. It marked the beginning of the provincial autonomy, or D. It abolished hierarchy at the provincial level and introduced it at the centre. Right answer is B. Residuary subjects were allocated to provincial legislatures. Your question is who gave the idea of a constituent assembly firstly for the formation of constitution for India? Your options are A. Swaraj Party in 1934, B. Congress Party in 1936, C. Muslim League in 1942, or D. All Parties Conference in 1946. Right answer is A. Swaraj Party in 1934. Your question is which article of the Indian Constitution is related to the fundamental rights against the exploitation of the children? Your options are A. Article 17, B. Article 19, C. Article 23, or D. Article 24. Right answer is D. Article 24. Your question is what is the position of the right to property in India? Your options are A. Legal right available to citizens only, B. Legal right available to any person, C. Fundamental rights available to citizens only, or D. Neither fundamental right nor legal right. Right answer is B. Legal right available to any person. Your question is which one of the following is not a directive principle of state policy? Your options are A. Prohibition of the consumption of intoxicating drinks, B. Cow protection, C. Environment protection, or D. Free education to children up to the age of 14. Right answer is D. Free education to children up to the age of 14. Your question is which of the following duties have been prescribed by the Indian Constitution as fundamental duties? 1. To defend the country, 2. To pay income tax, 3. To preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture, 4. To safeguard the public property. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Codes, your options are A. 1 and 2, B. 2 and 4, C. 1, 2 and 4, or D. 1, 3 and 4. Right answer is D 1, 3 and 4. To defend the country, to preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture, and to safeguard the public property. Your question is, what is the deadline to fill the occurrence of vacancy due to death, resignation or removal of the president in India? Your options are A 1 month, B 9 months, C 3 months or D 6 months. Right answer is D 6 months. Your question is, which among the following is or are appointed by the President of India? 1. Chairman of the Finance Commission, 2. Vice Chairman of the Planning Commission, 3. Chief Ministers of the Union Territories. Select the correct answer by using the following code. Your options are A 1 is correct, B 1 and 2 are correct, C 1 and 3 are correct or D 2 and 3 are correct. Right answer is C 1 and 3 are correct. Chairman of the Finance Commission and Chief Ministers of the Union Territories. Your question is, which President of India completed 2 successive terms? Your options are A. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, C. Dr. Zakir Hussain or D. both A and B. Right answer is B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Your question is, which of the following is not true? Your options are A. The President or Governor is immune from legal action for official acts. B. No court can compel a governor to perform any duty. C. A 2 months notice in writing must be delivered to a governor for bringing civil proceedings in respect of their personal acts. Or D. Courts are empowered to inquire the advice tendered by the ministers to the President or Governor. Right answer is D. Courts are empowered to inquire the advice tendered by the ministers to the President or Governor. Your question is, which of the following official documents is related with India? Your options are A. Green paper, B. White paper, C. Yellow book or D. Blue book. Right answer is B. White paper. Your question is, the word Mantri Mandal cabinet is mentioned only once in constitution and that is in. Your options are A. Article 352, B. Article 74, C. Article 356 or D. Article 76. Right answer is A. Article 352.